Hello students, today we are going to discuss the type of CSS files. There are three ways of adding a style sheet with your HTML document. First one is inline. What is the inline? In this method, a style declaration is defined with each element of HTML. If you are using inline method, then you have to repeat every time your style on same type of tag. The style attribute can be used with any element in the body section. Take an example. This is the one program. That's the code. Okay. Here I am using h1 tag 2 times. Okay. So I am getting this output. Okay. Now in the h1 tag I want to give one style. So this is my style. I want to display this text in the blue color. Okay, so I am giving here a style equal to, in the inverted code, my property, that's the color, colon, value, that's the blue, and semicolon, and close my inverted code. Okay, so for this line I am giving the style. Now save this, check the output, refresh this. So that apply on the one line only. Okay, I am using h1 2 time. Okay, if suppose I am pasting this 2 more time. Okay, now see the output. My style applied on only first line. Why? Because I am using inline style sheet. Okay, inline style sheet, when you are giving your any style inside a tag. Okay, like here h1, I am not closing h1. Okay, I am using a style as an attribute, and that attribute gives the value and close this h1 here. So this attribute apply for only this one line. Okay, that's the inline. If you want to give more properties, then you can use here after semicolon you can type and apply. Okay, more than one property you can apply here. Inline styles are used if a unique style needs to be specified to an element. This style is not suitable for formatting your entire website. Okay, why? Because for each and every tag you have to give the style. Okay, and in my this page I am using 4 times h1 tag, but that style apply on only one. Okay, so it takes too much time to formatting each and every tag. Okay, suppose I want to change the second line also, then in the second I am giving here the color yellow. Okay, now save and refresh. Now this color is apply on the second line only. Okay, not third and fourth. Why? Because we gave this style inside the h1 tag for this second line only. Okay, so in the inline you have to specify your style for each and every line, and it is time consuming. For if you are applying a style on the whole website and your website is containing more than 5 or 10 pages, so it will take too much time. Okay, so it's not suitable for a entire website. Second type is internal style sheet. Okay, in the internal style sheet, that you can use style tag in the top here in the heading tag. Okay, it is useful if you want to apply similar formatting for all the tags of the same type on a web page. Just like our previous video example, I will open here types heading. Okay, this is style tag. We use this style tag inside the heading tag. Okay, and in the heading tag we are giving the body background color h1, h2, h3. Okay, I am giving here h1 tag 2 times, and one more time I am adding here h1 tag. Okay, so this h1 tag apply here 3 times, and in the top I define h1 property here. Okay, now check the output. Look, this is the output. The h1 color is changed in the 3 lines. Okay, this one and this one, but I define here on the top only one time h1 color, h2 color, h3 color. Okay, I define only one time on the top, and whenever I am using h1 tag on the same page, that will automatically apply the same formatting. Okay, so with the help of this we can save over time. If you want to apply a style on a one page, then you can use this internal or embedded style sheet. Here one more thing, that you can use type also. Actually there are different types of style sheet technology we can use on the web. So here we can specify CSS, tags CSS here. This will tell to browsers that we are using CSS as the document style sheet language. Okay, so for that purpose you can use this one. Now when you go on the web page and refresh, then that's the same. Okay, so here you can specify your type also. Next is external style sheet. It is a most powerful and flexible method. It is used especially by web professional to define the layout of web pages. When you need to apply style sheet to multiple pages, it is the best way to create external style sheet. For that purpose, we can remove this tag from here. Okay, I am saving this file, save as a external .html. Save. Open a new notepad file, and here we are using this attributes. Okay, and delete this tag. There is no need for this. This is my body tag, body tag style I'm giving here. Okay, and that's my h1. Okay, if you want you can do formatting also. No, otherwise no need for this. Okay, and save this file with any name.css. I'm saving this file, files style.css. okay, this the name of the file, but remember that always give .css extension. Okay, and save. Now this style.css is saved. Now the next, in my external, here we have to use a link. tag. Okay, so here type link rel equal to style sheet and href is equal to your style dot css and close this. Okay, this is your file name, that is style dot css, that file. Okay, and if that file is stored on any other location, then you can give here URL. Okay, and save this file. Now open your browser. Here I'm use, that's the heading. Now open the external. This is external.html. Okay, so this is the output of external.html. Okay, in the external.html, in the notepad, here we are not defining any style, but we are giving the style.css reference. Okay, so with the help of this link tag, and in the style.css we define our style here. If suppose here I am giving this h1 green and save. Okay, and refresh this, so my h1 color is changed here. Got it? So if I am creating any other page, and in that page if I will use this style, then automatically all the effect will apply on my that web page also. Okay, we can take the another example here also, one more example. This is my new file. Here I am using same style sheet, and inside the body I am giving h1 hello, h1 close. Now h2 good day, and h2 close, and my body is closed, and close my HTML also. Save this file, other.html, I'm giving this other name, and save this file. Okay, here I am just giving the reference of that style.css. Okay, now I'm opening this, that's my other.html. Output is hello and good day. Okay, that background effect with color of h1 and h2, that automatically apply here also. Okay, I am not giving any effect here, but with the help of this style sheet, that's apply on this page also. And if suppose in the style sheet I will change that color. Okay, in the style I am giving, on the place of this blue I am giving yellow. Now refresh this, that's yellow color effect apply here, and in the external.html refresh this, now this yellow is apply here. Okay, means once you change in your external style sheet, that will apply on whole website, on each and every page where you are using that tag. Okay, so that's the advantage of your external style sheet. That's why the web developers always prefer this method. Now these are the three types of style sheets. Okay, next topic we will continue in the next class.